就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it is time for Practical Hakka on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Now, this month we're teaching a phrase called 等一下。
等一下，
等一下 ，OK？ 可是通常我们讲等一下，可能是说 later， 但有的时候等一下还真的是一下那样子 ，OK？ 等我一下那样子。好 ，Let's put you in this situation where maybe someone is rushing to the bus station and the person says, you know, wait for me, I want to go with you, I need to pack up, OK？ 就是 wait a minute 那样子。好，我们来听这样的对话。
客家地位，公車來咧，
等一下啦，我東西還忙輸好。
幾種手等下一邊公車了。
OK， 我聽到我們用到了等一下，但也用到了說等下一班公車，對不對？這個很多等在裡面，我們可以來應用一下。So again, the conversation, let's break it down one by one, OK? The first line is 快一點，公車來了 ，Hurry up, the bus is coming.
客家地位，公車來咧。
客家地位，公車來咧。OK， 公車就是公車。那這個人呢，就說啊，等一下啦，我東西還沒收好。Wait a minute, OK? I haven't packed up my stuff.
等一下啦，
等一下啦，
我東西還忙輸好。
我東西還忙輸好。東西叫做東西。OK， 真的 that means east and west, but in Chinese and Hakka it means my stuff. OK， 東西，還忙就是還沒。I haven't 輸好。
對，還沒收好。
收好。OK， 還沒收好。I haven't packed up. 那只好等下一班公車咯。Well, I guess we'll just have to wait for the next bus.
幾種手，等下一邊公車了。
等下一邊公車了。等下一班公車。
對啊。
OK， 公車 that is
公車
a bus, a public bus in particular. 然後我們有說到下一班。
下一邊
that means the next one that's coming, the next bus. 下一邊 All right, very, very practical. Well, let's teach you some of the vocabulary that was brought out, including a public bus, 公車。公車 again, that's the bus, or in particular, public bus, 公車 and then 快一點 hurry up.
客家地位，
Okay, that's hurry. And then finally, stuff.
東西。
All right, let's listen to the conversation here.
客家地位，公車來咧。
等一下啦，我東西還忙輸好。
幾種手等下一邊公車了。
And this month, we're teaching you the phrase 等一下，which can mean later, or today's episode is about waiting a minute. Wait a minute. All right, there you have it. Another practical round of Hakka here on ICRT.
按字say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.